Hello Raj. Okay, I try to explain the logic. Suppose I place a robot or EA for very first time on Renko chart. So it will follow a logic. There will be two logic: opening a very first trade and then opening consecutive trades. So opening very first trade for very first time when I place an EA on Renko chart, it should follow this logic. Before that, I should tell you that there are two different terminologies which I am using. This is what I call as a one buy candle formation. Okay, and this much distance is one candle distance. These are two things. Okay, so if I place a EA on this chart and price suppose was here, so the price has traveled to one candle distance, no sorry, the price has traveled up to this, then it has formed one candle buy candle, so it will open a first buy trade over here, very first buy trade. Okay, now the second scenario for very first buy trade, suppose the price is over here, so it has formed one buy candle, so it will open a very first buy trade over here. Okay, this is the second case for a buy. Third case is this is the price is say suppose the price is here when I place an EA for very first time, so it has traveled this much distance, then this is a one buy candle, so there will be a buy trade over here, very first buy trade. Do you understand the difference between these three scenarios for opening very first buy trade? Similarly should happen for the sell. Now I will discuss the logic for opening second trade or second onward trades. Suppose the second onward trade, suppose the price is over here, then I place a EA, the price has traveled, then I place an EA for very first time on the Renko chart, the price has traveled this much distance, the first candle formation, then there is a buy, then here will be a buy, here will be a buy, this buy will hit a SL. Okay, this is for a buy. Second, price is say somewhere over here, so this is the first candle formation, so it will be a buy, then here will be a buy, here will be a buy, then here will be a buy, here will be a buy. But you can see that the price has traveled a one candle distance. This is a one candle distance. The price has traveled a one candle distance down. So at this point, which I am marking with blue, there will be a sell trade this much. From here to here there will be a sell trade also. This is the logic for buy. Now I will tell you the logic for sell. Suppose the price is over here, so this is a one candle formation confirmation, so here will be a sell, sell, then again sell, then again sell, sell, like this it will go up to here. These are a sell. Okay, at this point this is a sell, it will hit a sell, but at the price has traveled also one candle distance up, so there will be a buy over here, buy, 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 buy. You can see at this point there is no buy because the price has not traveled, at this point there is no sell because price has not traveled one candle distance down. This is not one candle distance down, it is missing by few pips, so there will be a no sell. Sorry, it is, I'm talking about, I repeat, here it is a buy, the price has not traveled one candle distance down, so there will be a no sell trade over here. Okay, now the price has traveled one candle, here is a buy, here is a buy, the price has traveled one candle distance down, so here is a sell also, then buy, this buy will hit SL, this price has traveled one candle distance down, so here will be a sell, here will be a sell, but it will hit SL. This is one candle distance up, it will be up, so here it will be a buy, then buy. The price has traveled one candle distance down, so here it will be a sell, which will hit SL. This is, here already there is a buy, so this is one candle, here it is a buy, but it has traveled one candle distance down, so here it will be a sell. I hope you understand what I want to say, how the trade should open for very first time when I place a trade, or even if I close an MT4 and then again it start, or then again I restart an MT4, so it should follow the very first logic behind opening very first trade, and the logic behind opening multiple trades after closing a very first, or after opening a very first trade. I hope you understand now. If you need a further clarification, let me know.